The link is going to be right here. I'm just going to go ahead and tell it like it is, because it doesn't just magically appear because my finger says poop, it's there. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, sorry. Sorry if that blew out your speakers. Yes, I know I laugh and I sneeze like a chipmunk. But hey, what can I say? Some people think it's cute, some people think it's annoying. I don't really have a say. What, am I gonna go around and start laughing like this? I don't think so. That would be really bad. Or if I sneeze like this, that is not natural. Especially for me. Now I'm just rambling. But if I could suggest a really good eyeliner for girls, I would suggest Revlon Color Stay Liquid Eyeliner. Can't really see it, but it looks in a tube like this.